my God! This is the best moped style e-bike on the market today by TST. And we're gonna be getting this thing unboxed and assembled. But not only that, we're gonna be surprising a lucky kid with a brand new e-bike. So without further ado, let's get into this. Let's get into this, y'all. Let's get this thing unboxed for this lucky kid, man. You know what I'm saying? Handy dandy butter knife right here. All these damn unboxing review videos I done did, and I still don't have a box cutter, bro. Oh well. Listen, we in the trenches. You know what I'm saying? You gotta work for it. Nothing in life is easy. I ain't gonna lie though, I could probably just pop this open with my hands. But we really ain't got that much time today though, you guys, so kinda gotta hurry up. We got some miscellaneous stuff right here. We're gonna throw that to the side real quick. Yeah, there we go. She gonna be, oh man, this is trash. She's gotta take all this plastic off, but we really don't have that much to put on, you guys. I have another one back there, an all black one. Let's hurry up because it's basically a race against time. Just like that. Here goes the battery, you guys. Let's see if it's charged. There's a little button right here. It's fully charged. Comes fully charged, you guys, so don't worry. Once you get it assembled, you can get straight to riding. There we go. Damn.
I'm gonna remove this plastic off the handlebars because this is where I wanna start this project today.
You gotta flip it like this. If you don't go in a crisscross pattern, it could be lopsided and unleveled. So crisscross pattern always evens it out. Orange TST is fire. I ain't gonna lie, they came crazy with the colorway. Now we're gonna throw this back part on, secondary seat and the brake light, which we're gonna throw on right now.
So this does come with a secondary seat. If you guys want to put a big booty girl back there, go for it.
Here goes the secondary seat and brake light. Ah, dang it. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't want to scratch this nice orange on here, you know what I'm saying? Such a beautiful orange though, no lie. Just like that. And then there's a wire that connects to this wire right here that you guys can see for the brake light.
So as you guys can see right here, this secondary seat and brake light only requires you to put in 4 screws and that's it.
It really came with a shower cap.
So now we are going to install the seat, and this part may be a little difficult and may require 2 people, as you guys can see in this video here. Some of these bolts are hard to put on and require someone else to push down onto the seat in order to actually install the bolts correctly.
All right, y'all see that? Seat is on, handlebars are on. Y'all see that? You know what I'm saying? She looking clean and crispy. We didn't plug the back brake light up just yet. We're gonna throw the pedals on, front fender, tire, plug everything up, and she's ready to go. Oh yeah, and the headlight.
All right, so before we continue with the assembly process, I just want to highlight some key features of this e-bike. This e-bike has a 1500 watt motor and a 48 volt battery. This e-bike hits a top speed of around 32 to 35 miles per hour, depending on your weight and where you're actually riding at. It also has a 7-speed gear shifter and pedal assist, which you can disconnect if you don't like the pedal assist. On a single charge, this e-bike will take you around 65 to 100 miles. Let me give you guys my honest opinion about how long the battery actually lasts. From my knowledge and from me actually testing this e-bike out, the battery actually lasts about 4 to 5 hours on phase 3. Just keep that in mind, that the battery does last a while depending on how you're riding it. So if you're riding in a lower phase, then it might last a little bit longer and it might take you a little bit further. But if you're riding in like a higher phase, which is going to be more speed, the battery isn't going to last as long. Say if you're riding in phase 5, the battery may only last about 2 hours, you know, because you're riding it hard. You're riding it in its top phase, at its top performance. So just keep that in mind. But this is a great e-bike. It's priced at $799 right now, but you can get an extra $100 off when you use my code at checkout, which I will put that link down in the description for you guys if you guys do want to go and purchase this bike for yourself. As you guys can see, it does come in black and it comes in this nice orange, as you guys can see in this video right here. Choose your poison. It's a great bike. It's 2025. Don't be shy to buy.
Move this up a little bit.
Just a heads up, you do want to be careful when you're installing these pedals because they are very easy to strip.
Just like that. I'm gonna go to the right side. And the right side goes to the right.
When tightening these pedals, the right tightens to the right and the left tightens to the left.
Don't mess up on this. All right, pedals are on.
All right, so now we are going to get this front fender installed, which is 3 bolts, 1 that holds it up in the middle, and then 2 on the sides that hold the 2 brackets.
Right here, these little brackets go on right there. Wow, that's tight. Ain't that something? Here we go. Make sure you put the bracket on the screw. And screw it right back in. First try. Works like a charm. And then this rubber piece to the inside. That's good. Like that. And then same thing right here. Like that. Plug this wire in, which goes up top to this plug right here, and the headlight is assembled. It's just this. Boom.
So the last thing that we have to do is put this front tire on, which is just an axle, 2 bolts, and 2 spacers, but it's much easier when you have 2 people. So you can place that rotor in between the 2 brake pads, but that's literally all we have for this assembly. We're gonna get this tightened up and go give this to Damani, which is the kid that I will be giving this away to.
So I just got off the phone with DeMonte. He said he will be on his way, so we're just waiting for him to pull up, and then we're gonna surprise him with this e-bike, you guys. What's good, Trey?
What's good, Damani?
It's nice to meet you, bro.
Me too.
So this bike, it was supposed to go to someone else. Something came up, so I had to give it to somebody else, and Julio said that you needed a bike, right? Do you have a bike now? No.
Yeah, it's not right there at the corner.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Ah! It's just sturdy though. You can customize it and you can do mad stuff to it. So yeah, she right here, bro. This your new bike. No more walking. No more walking, gang. You feel me? This is the headlight right here. This button. You hold it for like 2 seconds. Headlight turn on.
Does it have pedal assist too?
Yeah, it got the pedal assist, but you can disconnect it though. I just need to get a pic with you. That's it. That's it. One pic. You take everything and she's all yours. It got the left thumb throttle on it right here. The right side is the back brake, and then that's the front brake. So come grab your charger, ride her over to the car. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. You know what I'm saying? Be safe, bro, okay?